luz. Levantou a rua tá destruída.
In just a few hours, Nova Iguaçu turned into a city of rivers. Streets vanished, waterfalls roared from cliffs, and fear spread fast.
Carro aqui já era. Essa rua aqui virou.
What began as heavy afternoon rain quickly escalated into one of the most intense storms to hit Nova Iguaçu in recent months. Between February 20th and 21st, 2026, torrential downpours overwhelmed the Baixada Fluminense, placing the city on maximum alert as floodwaters swallowed streets, homes, hospitals, and major commercial areas.
Caraca, dessa vez, hein? Tá bravo.
A rua completamente alagada.
According to Municipal Civil Defense, the heaviest rainfall was recorded in Tinguá, where 80.4 millimeters of rain fell in just 3 hours, nearly 60 millimeters in a single hour. That level of rainfall in such a short time is considered extreme. Drainage systems simply could not cope. Water rushed down from the Serra del Vulcão, gaining speed and force as it descended toward lower neighborhoods. One of the most dramatic scenes unfolded around Shopping Nova Iguaçu. Social media videos showed the entire surrounding area completely flooded, including parallel streets near the mall. Estrada de Madureira, also known as Avenida Augusto Abilio Tábora, turned into a powerful current of muddy water. Cars struggled to move. Traffic came to a standstill. Residents watched in disbelief as the avenue became a river.
Misericórdia! Gente do céu!
Behind the shopping center, the storm created a shocking spectacle. A quarry area transformed into what locals called the Cataratas de Nova Iguaçu. Rainwater cascaded down the rocky slope, forming a temporary waterfall. Screams could be heard in videos as people feared rocks might loosen and fall with the force of the water. Mall management later confirmed that stones rolled down in the quarry area, part of an environmental protection perimeter isolated from the mall. Inside the building, part of the plaster ceiling in a women's restroom collapsed. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, and the shopping center continued operating. Flooding spread across multiple neighborhoods. In Botafogo and Santa Eugênia, streets were submerged. Near the former Extra supermarket, the Dona Eugênia Canal overflowed. At Condomínio Tupinambás MRV, residents faced significant water accumulation. In Tinguá, Estrada de la Administración disappeared under floodwaters during the height of the storm. Critical health facilities were not spared. The Hospital de la Posse in Nova Iguaçu experienced flooding, raising concerns about patient safety. In neighboring Mesquita, the Hospital da Mãe maternity unit in Vila Norma was also inundated. Images from inside the facilities showed water covering floors, adding pressure to emergency services already stretched thin.
Cara, volta, cara! Tem correnteza ali, cara, tu é doido, cara! Cara, tu é
A
maluco!
água tá descendo lá de cima. Vocês não têm noção da velocidade que a água tá saindo ali, ó. Na saída ali, ó. A água tá descendo com força.
Uma enxurrada horrível. Olha o estado que se encontra a rua da gente.
In Mesquita, a man driving a Volkswagen Combi attempted to cross a flooded street. The vehicle stalled midstream, leaving him stranded as water surrounded the van. The moment served as a stark reminder of how dangerous flash floods can be.
Caralho, pega, viado. Aí. Como é que tá isso aqui, mano?
The impact extended beyond Nova Iguaçu. In Muriqui, residents described scenes of devastation. Within minutes, streets turned into rivers. Homes were invaded by water. Furniture was destroyed. Families watched helplessly as years of hard work were carried away by the current. Community leaders expressed solidarity, offering prayers and support to those who lost everything.
Olha o tanto de água. Olha o tanto de água. Gente, olha só. Olha a altura dessa água. Jesus.
In Belford Roxo city center, flooding also caused disruptions. Across the Baixada Fluminense, the pattern felt painfully familiar. Every strong storm seems to bring the same suffering: flooded streets, paralyzed traffic, property damage, and uncertainty. Civil defense teams remained deployed overnight, responding to emergencies and monitoring high-risk areas for landslides. Authorities urged residents to avoid crossing flooded roads and to remain alert for further weather updates. Meteorologists explained that the region's geography plays a crucial role. When intense rain falls in short bursts over elevated areas like the Serra del Vulcão, runoff accelerates downhill, overwhelming urban drainage and creating sudden flash floods.
Olha isso aí, aquilo ali é uma rua, tá? Olha isso aí, ó.